guys, welcome to Brick Tech Mechatronic. Today is another edition. This is S-Class W222 2016-17 model, and the customer complaint is that this is the old air conditioning model, and the model has spoiled, so they have fixed a used one over here, but it's not working. So what I find out is that it needs to be coded, or it needs to be programmed. So I'm going to program this to this one. So I'm going to remove this one and do the programming on bench. So when I'm done, I will show you. So guys, this is the old PCB of the air conditioning model, and this is a Renaissance processor. So I'm going to read this data and see whether read and write onto this one and see whether it will work or not. So I don't know if you can see the processor ID. This is a Renaissance chip. So this is I'm going to read the board, so we go to programmer, and this is the same. This is the board, Renaissance RH50. So we head to Renaissance. This is it. Then go to RH850. Then we select this is 64 or something. Then we use this. Then we click on our diagram. Remember the pin is 144, so we use 144. We click it, then we use the diagram. I have already welded some thread joint over here, so we track from there. So test from the point. So this is the green, which is 3. That's the point. So I will solder the distance, the joint for this session. Then we I will check it again if it is the right thing. It was wrong this session. Let me take this lead from it. This is for the third one, which is the then we come to this 6, come to this 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will check from here. So this is third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 5th pin. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is it. That's for the 6. Then put LED for there. Then we count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, which is 53, but 9. This is 9. So this is our 9th pin. It is our 9th pin. So we let the joint. Mind you, this one is not part, so take the lid off. Just take the lid off because it's not part. Then we head to this one, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, pin 122, which is 14 from this session. Then we come from here 1 2 This is our 14th pin. So guys, after testing the other session, which is the 5, it was on this point, so I've soldered it over there. So this is the diagram, and this is our soldering points over here. I use multimeter to test every point. So what I'm going to do now is to connect and see if it will read the data. So let me pack up my tools. Okay, so this is CGDI 100X. It's one of the good tools I have so far used. So click back, we hit on D flash, then we click read to see. Yeah, it's reading, as you can see. Couldn't read the device ID, which means maybe the selection is wrong or something. So what I will do is that I'll go back, choose this one. I'm choosing this one, then we hit on read again and see. Yeah, it's reading. Can you see that? It's reading the ID, it's reading the data is being read. So, and as I said, this is S-Class air conditioning model. You need to read the data and write before the this thing will work. So the data has been read successful over here, as you can see. We click OK, we click save. Let me put it on desktop. Then I have to save it, clear the back. Oh, come on, I have to save it again. Okay, done. Mistake over here. So clear W222 Benz W222 Benz. Then I add old data so that I can distinguish between the new one I will read. So complete successful. Then we go to P-Flash. Then we read the P-Flash too. We have to read every data, everything. The P-Flash is very big over here, as you can see. It's very big. So it will take a little bit of time, so I have to pause over here, then continue when it is somehow in the middle or something. Then the P-Flash is almost done, as you can see. It's very big, it takes time. So this is our soldering points again. Yeah, the P-Flash has been, the chip was decoded and everything has been successful over here, as you can see. So we click on OK. Then we go to Save As. Then the same thing, Benz W222 Renaissance. Then we go back to old data. Then we click save. We will come to this session. I have to read it. As I said, we have to read every byte unless there is nothing in it. Yes, we have to read and save it, as you can see. Then we are going to read the boot. Let's read the boot. We are reading everything, every single thing in this chip. Yeah. Let me check. There is nothing in the boot, so well, let me save it for obvious reasons. Save. So that is it. Everything has been read and saved. Unplug the distinct, then we desolder the wires. So let me show you something. This is the old one piece, and this is the new one, but it's a used one. So I'm going to open it and write the data. So guys, without going to any stress, I just soldered the joint, then I remove maybe this pin, this wire I remove from this section, then I solder it to this joint, so that I will not go to the same procedure in which I will test everything and solder it back. So without further ado, I will just click on read and see if our device will communicate with the chip. Yes, we get communication. It's reading the chip. It's reading the chip. So this one I will only save the D flash and the P flash. Yeah, it has read the data successful. So I will click save as. Then I'll go to desktop. Desktop. Pens. Yeah. This class easy. Then we save it over here. Then I'll click on P flash. Hit on read of the P flash. See, this thing, we all know how it will take a long time to read it, so I will pause then continue from the other session so that it will not take us so much long, or it won't take us long. Guys, the P flash is almost done. It's very tough. Okay. Click OK, then we click save as, put it over here. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to write it. So we open the file. Oh, let me show you once again. We are going to write it. So I'm going to write it according to how they have made the arrangement over there. So I'm going to go by accordingly. So we click on D flash, then we click open file, then we look through to see whether we can find our D flash. So that is the D flash. No, this is not the D flash. The D flash is the second one. As you can see, that's the D flash. We click on it, click open, then we hit on write. Operation will overwrite original data, so no problem. We click OK. Yes, it automatically erase the data, then write the data. So it is done. Then we hit on P flash, then we open our file, then we check to see whether it's D flash. This is no P flash, this is P flash. Then we go to open, then we hit on write. Same thing, then we click OK. As we all know, P flash is a big file. It will take time to write. So I guess I wanted to pause here, but I'm waiting for the link. I'm waiting for this one to finish and see what will pop up before I'll pause over here. Okay, there is no need to pause, so Whoa. It is now writing, but can you see that it will take a long time? So I guess I have to pause. Indeed, I have to pause. Completed. Go to OTP. Click on this. Then write. The boot. There is nothing in the boot, but I have to write it because I don't want a situation whereby I will go and remove the disc in the model again. There is nothing in the boot, so I have to, but I'm writing it for obvious reasons, so I have to write. So the writing has been successful. So this is the new it's a Mercedes air condition control model, as you can see over here, and this is it. The writing is successful. We are done. We unplug from this session, take our power off, then we use our soldering iron to desolder the wires and box it back. So I want to show you something. This is the D flash, the data. I did a comparison of, I compared the two data. As you can see, huge differences in it. As you can see over here, this is the new one, the D flash. This is the new one, as you can see. Let me show you. Have you seen the Renaissance? This is the new D flash, and this is the old D flash, as you can see over here, indication of the old data. So you could see the difference. So let me check on the P flash. This is the P flash. Open the P flash, then we click here. I guess this is the P flash also. So click open. Can you see the have you seen the P flash? I think you can see the difference. The red indicates that there are difference in it. I have plugged in this now. I've connected the model, so I'm going to start the car and see. This is it as far as so start the car. Switch it off. Switch the air condition on. The AC is on. The AC is on. I don't know, maybe there is no gas in it. I don't know whether there is no gas in it or something, so there's no air coming out since the distance is programmed. So thank you for watching.